stay cool.
I don't know if you know this. Thor News is for winners, and that's why you're here. So stick around.
I need your love. This is a Thor News presentation. Hit the button, baby. And here we go. Thor News presents.
Everyone of you dicks wants to talk about planets. Ladies and gentlemen, the weather is weird, and winter is here. Due to circumstances beyond my control, this is going to be kind of all over the map with nothing specific, except for the fact that there's a giant snowstorm hitting the northeast. The Pacific Northwest is getting a whole lot of rain. The England, United Kingdom area is under severe storms due to the Eye of Sauron, mean sea level pressure. And mean sea level pressure on Earth is scarier than all the horror films I've ever seen combined. How weird is weather, you might ask? I'm glad you did. It's so weird. It was 88 degrees here in Texas a few days ago, and yesterday it was in the 30s. I need to get a jacket. Yeah, I guess winter now is like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe a month or two. Who knows? How weird is the weather? We used to have one North Pole. Now at times it seems like we have 7 or 8. And they all move around like a lava lamp.
Magnetic drift.
Magnetic drift.
Magnetic drift.
Magnetic drift. Guest backup vocals by Fitzroy. 3K, 7K? I don't even know how many Ks.
3K today.
3K today. All right. Did you have a good weekend? Me too. All right. So yeah, I mean, things are weird. Looks like there's a lot of moisture on the planet. I expect this winter to be bad and stuff. So be prepared. And whatever the hell is going on in the Caribbean, that giant spider spot that keeps growing, it's like a monster movie. Dun dun dun. It's not causing super major negative effects today. I'm pretty sure it's going to cause super major negative effects someday.
Creeper.
The creeper.
Creeper.
The creeper.
The creeper's coming from the Bahamas.
Keep your pants dry. Well, that's impossible when I'm around, right, ladies? Sorry. Oh, my God. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what else. Trying to get struck by lightning.
Or falling branches.
Or falling branches. And
Keep an
remember,
eye out for UFOs.
keep an eye out for unidentified flying objects. Or giant flying Christmas trees, as I like to call them. Merry Christmas, y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, here I am doing a quick update. That's crazy, right? And we're getting daily reports about how drastic and severe climate change are. And yes, the climate always changes. It's how genius, asterisk, they were when they named it. Like, how can you debate? They say the climate does not change. I was like, no, I never said that. Either way, part of my thing is like, look, I ain't here to go over all the facts, fines, and fees of what caused the weather to get so weird. But it's weird, dude. Or ma'am. Or other. Y'all are so sensitive about words these days. You know? Try not to use any of the ones that trigger you. Weird. There was a show once, and a horse was named Trigger. And that horse talked, maybe? I don't know. I didn't watch it much. Because talking animals are kind of creepy to me. So I lost my, I lost what I was talking about. I lost my mind because I was looking at the giant blobs that have been forming and unforming and forming and unforming. They're in the Caribbean. That's some scary, crazy weather. Now I'm kicking on over to the real-time U.S. composite satellite animation. Wow, look at the clouds strafe against the mountains. Look at those pulses of cold. It don't last very long. Yet. So yeah, I would keep your eye on whatever the hell is going on in the Caribbean if you're anywhere around there or just interested in weird weather.